All right, today we are going to be dividing by two-digit numbers again, just like we did yesterday. Okay? And you're going to have to use some of those strategies that we talked about. Okay? For example, this problem here. Okay? We have 16 going into 7. Does it go in? No. So what did I have you do? Put a 0 for a placeholder. Some of you were coming up yesterday without the placeholders, and you were putting the first number right here, even though it should have gone above the 2. Okay? And it threw things off. 16 then goes into 72. Right? Okay? So our first digit is going to go above the 2. Okay? Put your iPad down, pay attention. Okay? Now, with it going in, we got to figure out how many times it goes in. This is going to be an issue. This is where you guys get stuck. I know that 2 16s is 32. In other words, 16 plus 16 is 32. Okay? So if I double that, I get 64. And that's 4 16s. Is that close enough? Is it over? Now, here was a mistake that you were making yesterday. Some of you did. You did 3 16s, which would be 48. And you'd subtract, and you get 4, you get 24. What is wrong with that? Adam?
You still have 24, and you can get rid of another 16.
Yeah. This number should not be bigger than your divisor. So, like Adam said, you can take another 16 out of this. Okay? And that's where it should be. Okay? If you do that and you find out that you have a number after you subtract that is bigger than your divisor, you've got to take another one out. You didn't take enough out. Okay? So this is where we're going to put 4, holds you at 64. We subtract, we get 8. What do I do next? Giada? Bring down to 0. Oops. Now what? Helen.
How many times is 16 going to 80? And it is 5 times.
30, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Put 5 up there. Subtract. Do I have a remainder? No remainder. Okay? Oh, by the way, that's number 1. You can copy it in there. I want all the work in there so that you see how to do it. Let's try this one, 45. I can tell you right now there's going to be a remainder, because with the 5, what would this have to be for it to possibly go in even?
A 0 or a 5?
0 or a 5. Remember those divisibility rules? Okay? So this isn't going to go in evenly, so we're going to have a remainder. Okay? 45, does it go into 9? No. Jackson, does it go into 99?
No.
How many times?
2 times?
2 times. And 90. Now what? Charlie, what do I do next?
You bring down to 7?
Bring down to 7. Lucas, what am I doing next?
You're saying how many times 45 is into 97?
How many times do you think it goes in?
2 times.
2 times. We've already figured out what 2 times 45 is. So we're gonna put the 90 down here, subtract, we got 7. Now what, Sasha?
You bring down the second 7.
Bring down the second 7. Now I'm dividing 45 into 77. George?
1.
1? Because 2 would be 90, and 90 is bigger than 77. So it's gonna go in one time. We got 45. Subtract 32, that's a big answer. Is that still good?
Yeah.
Gabby, is it good? Why?
Because it's lower than the 45.
It's lower than the 45. So, do I bring anything else down? Nope. So this is my
Remainder.
remainder 32.
That's number
9.
Yeah.
Okay? Is that hard?
No.
Okay? Is it gonna take some time to do?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay? Now, you have pages 63 and 64. You have, I think there's 2 IXLs. I gotta go find the IXLs. Huh?
So it's like these are 2 and 22.
No, they're O's, I think. All right, Colton, or Zach,